All right, we have here what's called a Quantum Edge HD. So this is a heavy duty power chair. It has a 450-pound weight capability. It has the HD motors. It has the HD frame, the larger seat. And this chair also has electric tilt, one function, electric tilt. Okay, so we're going to show you the function right now. So the first function you have to do through the joystick is hit the blue button until you see a picture of the seat on your screen. When you see a picture of the seat on your screen right there, then use your joystick and go back, and you can see your electric tilt going back. So let's see how far back this is going to go. This is called your electric tilt. All right, this is as far back as it'll go on the electric tilt. Let's look at the base while we have it tilted. You have 14-inch wheels. You have the HD motors. These are heavy-duty motors. They have 4 poles, 4 brushes all the way around, so they're going to be a little bit noisier because they're a little bit heavier duty, okay? You have an anchor point here, an anchor point here. This is where you would secure your chair to your lift or to your van if you're going to transport it, okay? You also have the rear suspension here. The same suspension in the front. You have 4 of these shocks around this chair, okay? This chair weighs about, I would say probably in the 350 to 375 weight capability, so it's a pretty heavy chair, okay? So this is built for a heavy person, okay? So if you're gonna put the chair neutral, you wanna roll it, you can see it's not going anywhere. But if you turn the power off, and the reason you want the power off, you want no resistance in the motor. And as soon as the power is off, go to your yellow lever and it tells you right here. Push it down. What that does, it unlocks your wheel. You got to do both motors, and then you can roll it around. Okay? So we're back in gear, and then you turn your power back on. Okay? So we're going to, now after you've done that, if you want to drive again, you have to hit the blue button until you go to your speeds. Okay? Whoop. Before you do that, you got to bring the seat down. So now we're going to bring the seat down before we go into drive mode. You can't drive with the seat tilted. It won't let you go there, which is probably a good safety feature. So here we go. We're all the way down almost. There we go. Now I'm going to hit the blue button, and we're back into speed number 4. This also has what's called a swing away joystick. It doesn't move that far back, but it does take away about 5-6 inches. Okay, it's called a swing away joystick. The front of the chair. So we have a large seat over here. We have a seat here. Don't really know how wide the seat is, but I think it's 20 inches wide by 20 by 20. We can adjust the back forward or backward, okay? Now I cannot make the seat any bigger than this. So if this is the chair you want, this seat cannot be made any bigger. It's just it's an older model. So you're gonna have to, your distance between your arm is gonna be 20 inches. So 20 inches from here to here, and that's gonna be about 20 inches also, okay? This seat will not be changed on this chair, okay? The nice thing about this chair, you can push as hard as you want on these arms. These arms are set in the side of the chair. Also with these arms, they don't flip up, okay? They do come out, so if you had to take them out, they do come out like this, okay? But now you've got your arms in your hand. So if you had to be transferred, you could do it and then put the arm back in, have your loved one put the arm back in, and then lock it again so you have no play. This is a mid-wheel drive chair, so it turns around its own length. The back of the power chair, you got push bars. You got push bars there, and you can see how solid that chair is. It's just a solid chair. So, well, it's a heavy-duty chair. This is an older model, so I don't really know. It looks like these are the original tires. So if these are the original tires, it was dusty because it's been sitting for a while, so we did dust it off. But everything's original. I would say this chair was probably used for 6 months at the most because there's no wear really to talk about on the tires. So if you're looking for a heavy-duty power chair that has the heavy-duty motors, a 450 weight capability, but you can deal with a 20 by 20 size seat, this would be a nice chair. It's just very powerful. When you charge this chair, you take your quantum charger and you plug it right below your joystick, and as soon as the light goes from orange to green, you're fully charged. So this chair will have about, it says a 15-mile distance with the batteries, 15 miles, but that all depends what the weight of the user is, what surface you're on, if you're going uphill, grass. So that's going to take away from your distance. But it does have big batteries, so it'll give you 10 miles plus, okay? So this is a Quantum Edge HD for heavy duty, 450 weight capability with the electric tilt. Just a good, solid power chair if you need something with just electric tilt. So this is the Quantum Edge HD. This power chair goes about 5.5 miles an hour. It takes off slow and it picks up speed as you go, it picks up its speed right here. It turns really nice. It's very quiet, very powerful. So it's got the heavy duty motor, should have no problem in the grass. Extremely heavy duty motors. I mean, it was pulling through the grass with no problem at all. So this is the Quantum Edge HD heavy duty 450-pound weight capability with the electric tilt. It was used for maybe 6 months. It's just a nice heavy duty basic power chair with the heavy duty 4-pole motors.
Hi, I'm Mark.
And my name is Alex.
We are a family-owned business for over 25 years.
We have many products available, not just what you see in this video. If you would like to learn more, you can call the number below at 800-677-6293, or you can visit us directly at www.marksmobility.com.